Alright, so what's your name?
Robles.
And what do you ride?
Conflict. Yo, what's up? My name is Chris. Pro FGFS rider, amateur. My bike trip, my bike. RYD Conflict. Suprosa headset. Need a Reaper port. Running the Sadio hub. Kinda good. Federal pegs because they're cheap. Eastern headset. Destroy bars. Royal V3s. That shit out there. With shadow pedals. Sadio swoop crank arms. Spike Y6 sprocket. Getting crooked already. Resist rear hub. 14mm animal peg. MTX rims, both lips.
Catch a nigga coming out of DOA. Hit him with the chopper, leave the DOA. You can play with niggas, not me, okay? Them other niggas suckers, I'm a G, okay? TIKING, okay? Just respect that shit and you'll be okay. They get this straight from can't none of y'all take this city from me. Take years off and I'm still tight. I half-ass and they still like it. Kick trap shit when I feel like it. Dope boy know what I live like. Didn't narrow off kilos. Big bank rolls on C-lows. Off OZs make zeros. Here we go. It's time to get trap back up and get shit back poppin', ho.